Hello children, welcome back to English Grammar Virtual Learning Class. Today, your annual course will be started. Okay, the first topic is adverbs. Watch the video carefully. I hope you have prior knowledge of adverbs. Okay, so adverbs are the words which modify verbs. Okay, means action words. It can modify adjectives or other adverbs in a sentence. Okay, means it tells us more about verbs or adjectives or any other adverb in the sentence. Alright, first we will see the examples and then we will go to the explanation and the types of adverbs. Okay, let's get started. Okay, see the example. I ate my dinner quickly. Okay, how did I eat my dinner? Quickly. Yes, so quickly is the adverb here which is describing the action word, that is ate, the verb. Okay, next example you see. Sam sees many puppies outside. Where did Sam see many puppies? Outside. So outside is the describing word. Okay, it is describing the action word sees. Okay, means outside is an adverb. Alright, next you see example. My father came home early. When did my father come home? Early. Okay, so here early is the adverb and it is telling us about the action word came. As I told you that an adverb tells us about verb, adjective or other adverbs in a sentence. Okay. Always remember, an adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay. That is the work of an adjective. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun, but an adverb describes a verb or adjective or any other adverb. Okay, so don't get confused between adverb and an adjective. I hope you have understood the definition of an adverb. Now we will learn about the types of adverbs. Okay, adverbs provide information about the manner, place, time, frequency or degree of action. Alright, means actually there are 5 types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency and adverbs of degree. Okay, I will describe each one now. First one, adverb of manner, tells how something is done or happens. When in a sentence, after asking the question how, the answer which you get is the adverb of manner. Okay, we use it at the beginning or end of a sentence. Then it's very easy to remember. Whenever the answer which you get after asking the question how, that is adverbs of manner. Okay, for example, he gossips incessantly. Okay, so how does he gossip? How? Okay, we are getting the answer incessantly. Means incessantly is adverb of manner. So adverb of manner answer the question how. Okay, next is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tells us how much. Okay, means it answers the question how much or to what extent something is done. Okay, manner is how and adverb of degree is how much or to what extent. Okay, it modifies verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. We use it before the word it modifies. Okay, means you have to always use adverb of degree before the word. Okay, whether it is verb, adverb or adjective before that. For example, I love my mother so much. Okay, how much do I love my mother? So much. So much is adverb of degree. It is answering the question how much. Okay, next type is adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us where. It answers the question where something is done or has happened. Okay, we generally use it at the end. Okay. For example, there is a fair nearby. Okay, so nearby, where? Where is the fair happening? Nearby. Nearby is the adverb of place. Alright, so adverb of place answered the question where. Next is adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us when something is done. Okay, means it answers the question when. Alright, we use it at the beginning or end of the sentence. We can use at the beginning also and at the end also. For example, should we shut the door now? Okay, when should we shut the door? Here time is mentioned now. Okay, now indicates time. So it's adverb of time. Alright, so adverb of time answered the question when. Next type is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us how often or how many times something is done. Alright, so it means it answers the question how often or how many times. For example, you see, he often fights with me. Okay, how often does he fight with me? Often means many a times. Okay, so here it answers the question how often or how many times. Alright, so here often is the adverb of frequency. So let's revise the kinds of adverbs once again. There are 5 main types of adverbs. The first one is adverb of manner. It answers the question how. Then adverbs of time. It answers the question when. Third is adverb of place. It answers the question where. Then adverb of degree or quantity. It answers the question how much. And the last one is adverb of frequency. It answers the question how many times or how often something is done. Alright. Sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. Okay, adverb of manner. Let's see some examples. Peaceful, peacefully, quiet, quietly, slow, slowly, quick, quickly, bad, badly, come, calmly. Okay. As you can see on the left hand side, all are adjectives. Okay, peaceful, quiet, slow, quick, bad, calm. And right hand side, we have added ly and made them all adverbs. Adverbs of manner. Alright. Next, terrible, terribly, able, ably, gentle, gently. On the left hand side, all the words are adjectives. Whereas on the right hand side, all the words are adverbs. Okay, when the adjective ends in e, we have to drop e and add y to make them adverb. I hope you have understood the meaning of adverb and its kinds. Alright, now in book number 7, page number 19, you see the picture of the page is given. Question number A, list the adverbs from the box in the 3 columns given below. Okay, adverbs are given in the box. You will have to divide them according to the category. Okay, adverbs of time, you will have to write all adverb of time, like silently, afterwards. Afterwards is adverb of time. Okay, when, afterwards, you will ask question, when. For adverb of place, you will ask where. And adverb of manner, you will ask how. Alright, and you will write the answers. And in question number B, underline the adverb in these sentences. Then write the kind of adverb T, P, M alongside each sentence. Okay, T means time, P means place, and M means manner. Alright, you will have to underline the adverbs first and then write the types. I hope you will be able to do the exercises, book exercises, and as well as the assignment. Okay, thank you.